Imagine a world where your car takes over the tedious task of driving, leaving you to sit back and enjoy the ride. Welcome to the world of Tesla Autopilot. This advanced driver assistance system, available in Tesla electric vehicles, is a game changer in the automotive industry. It's designed to not only reduce your workload as a driver, but also to enhance the overall driving experience, making it safer and more enjoyable. So let's delve into the world of Tesla Autopilot and see what makes it so revolutionary. Say hello to Autosteer, your invisible chauffeur. Now, let's imagine you're cruising down the freeway in your Tesla. The Autosteer feature is hard at work, ensuring your car stays neatly centered in its lane. But how does it do that, you ask? Well, it's a marvel of modern technology. With an intricate network of sensors and cameras, Autosteer constantly scans the road to detect lane markings. This data is processed in real time, allowing the Tesla to maintain its position with precision. But that's not all. Autosteer also keeps a keen eye out for other vehicles around you. Whether it's a slow-moving truck up ahead or a motorcycle zipping by in the next lane, Autosteer takes it all into account. This advanced feature provides a safer and more comfortable driving experience. It reduces the stress of long drives and helps you maintain focus on the road. With Autosteer, your Tesla knows how to stay in line, just like a good student. Next up is traffic-aware cruise control, your personal traffic analyst. Imagine having a keen observer constantly gauging the speed of the vehicle ahead and adjusting your car's pace to maintain a safe distance. That's exactly what Tesla's traffic-aware cruise control does. This ingenious feature is a game changer in preventing collisions. It's like having an extra set of eyes that are always on the lookout, scanning the road ahead and making split-second decisions to adjust your speed. But it's not just about safety. The smart system also plays a vital role in enhancing traffic flow. By maintaining a consistent distance from the car in front, it helps to prevent the stop-and-go pattern that often leads to traffic jams. Imagine cruising down the highway, confident in the knowledge that your car is keeping a vigilant watch on the traffic around you, adjusting your speed as needed, and helping to keep the traffic flowing smoothly. Traffic-aware cruise control is like having an eagle's eye on the road, always vigilant. And now, meet the ultimate road companions. Auto lane, change and navigate on autopilot. Imagine you're cruising along the highway and you need to change lanes. With auto lane change, you don't even need to lift a finger. Once activated, your Tesla takes into account the position of other vehicles, your speed, and the road conditions to execute a safe and efficient lane change. It's like having an extra set of eyes on the road, ensuring your journey is as smooth as possible. But what if we told you that your Tesla could do even more? That's where Navigate on Autopilot comes into play. This advanced feature is like having a seasoned navigator right in your dashboard. It doesn't just suggest lane changes, it actually makes them for you. It can navigate complex highway interchanges, ensuring you're in the right lane at the right time. And that's not all. Navigate on Autopilot can also proactively take exits, meaning it anticipates your route and makes the necessary maneuvers to keep you on track. It's like having a personal guide that knows the road better than you do, always ready to step in and assist. With these features, your Tesla is more than just a vehicle. It's a partner, a trusty companion that shares the load of driving, making your journey safer and more enjoyable. With auto lane change and navigate on autopilot, your Tesla isn't just a car, it's a co-pilot. So, what does all of this mean for you, the driver? With Tesla Autopilot, you're at the helm of a revolution in driving. Autosteer, traffic-aware cruise control, and auto lane change are not just features, they're your co-pilots, ensuring safety, efficiency, and enjoyment. Navigate on Autopilot is your personal guide, intuitively understanding highway interchanges and exits. These advancements are transforming the landscape of driving, making every journey a pleasure. Tesla Autopilot isn't just changing how we drive, it's redefining the very concept of driving. Welcome to the future of the road.